friends, back with the new video, and this time precisely on decision making. Friends, decision making is very important in life because as an individual, wherever we have reached in life today is majorly because of our thought process and majorly because of the decisions which we have taken at major junctures of the life. Friends, I'll make another video on how thought process impacts the personality and your development. This is on precisely on decision making. Friends, while making a decisions in life, we have to be like a funambulist. Let's understand who it is, what it is. Friends, funambulists are the person who do tightrope walking in circuses, in mountains, in valleys. Of course, they have the assistances and practices. However, the most important thing is that their decision-making ability is to the sharpest. This is very important in our personal life also, in the life of every individual. Because friends, please understand, it is not that difficult distinguishing between good and bad. Many of us can distinguish that. However, the major decisions in the life are the decisions which differentiates good and better, which differentiates bad and reasonable. These are the major decisions, and these decisions decide where you have reached and where you want to go. I'll take another point while making a decision. Friends, it's a very common observations that in many cases a group go together to take a decisions. While it has a positive effect, it has a good effect that it is good in one way that the combined wisdom of the many people comes with it. However, friends, it has a big drawback that when as a group we are making a decision, somewhere as an individual who we want to run away from the blame if the decision goes wrong. This is also very important. While making a decisions, if you take individual decisions, the responsibility becomes yours. And friends, as it is said, success has many fathers, failure is orphan. We all want to run behind successes, we all want to be a part of successes, but we don't want to be a father of failure. We want to run away from failure. However, friends, in real world, the person who takes the responsibility of the failure, he emerges as a good leader, he emerges as a courageous person, he emerges as a person of worth trusting. So friends, try to take individual decisions, and if the decision goes wrong, take full responsibility of that. It happens in organization also. If as a person you are taking a decisions and because of that it has become wrong and we have incurred losses, take the ownership of that decision, that I being a leader, I have taken decisions and yes, it has gone wrong. And yes friends, in that day you will be a hero. Because friends, as it is said, responsibilities are not given. I cannot assign the responsibility to anybody. Responsibilities are taken. Yes, I have taken the responsibility. I have made the decision and it has gone wrong and I take the honors. From next time I'll rectify and I'll make a better decisions. Make decisions on the informations available. Don't think too much about making a decisions. And friends, yes, make timely decisions. If you have to take an order, if you want to take an admission in a school, college, if you have to take in foreign universities, apply for a job, make timely decisions because in today's fast-paced world, nobody waits for anyone. Time passes so fast that yes, opportunities can never knock on your door again and again. So friends, make timely decisions. And remember, the most important factor while making a decision is the best thing is to make decisions. The second best thing is to make wrong decisions. And the worst thing is not to make any decisions. If a person does not take any decision in life, he will lead to nowhere. He will continue where he is, maybe in terms of job change, maybe in terms of education, maybe in terms of everything. There is a saying I just like to tell you, if you don't know where to go, any road can take you there. So first decide where you want to go and make decisions accordingly and take that right path. So friends, happy decision making, make correct decisions, make in time decisions, and yes,